Some dishes are loud and dramatic. This one, elegant and understated, like a sari that doesn't need sequins. Today I am making a light Bengali Hilsa fish curry. No onion, no garlic, just soul, mustard oil, kalonji, green chilies and turmeric. Let's begin. Start with 6 pieces of glorious Hilsa or Ilish as we say back home. If it's frozen like mine, let it thaw like your Sunday mood. इंडिया में तो फ्रेश हिल्सा मछली मिल जाती है, लेकिन यूएसए में आपको किसी भी बांग्लादेशी स्टोर में फ्रोजन हिल्सा मिल जाएगी. After the fish has thawed completely, give it a good rinse. Peel off the scales. Hilsa wears armor. Once all the scales and inside is clean, we rinse it one more time. Shake off the water and pat the pieces dry. Gently rub the pieces with a tablespoon each of salt and turmeric and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Even fish needs some me time. Flip the pieces over and sprinkle with some more salt and turmeric and leave it to marinate for 15 minutes after both sides are done. While the fish is marinating, mix up the curry base. Take half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, 3 or 4 green chilies, half teaspoon of Kalonji or Nigella seeds, a teaspoon of whole wheat flour. Mix up everything in a bowl. Add a cup of water and stir it until it's a smooth, watery paste. That wheat flour or atta, it's the unsung hero that keeps the curry from falling apart. Take a heavy bottom pan or a thick steel karahi. In that, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Wait until it smokes lightly because raw mustard oil can be a bit of a diva. Swirl the oil around the pan like you are painting a spicy canvas. This will stop the fish from sticking and save your sanity. Once the mustard oil is smoky hot, gently place the fish in, one piece at a time. Don't crowd them. This isn't a Kolkata bus stop. Fry until lightly golden. Don't go for crispy. Crispy hilsa in curry is like overcooked pasta. Nobody wants that chewy disappointment. After the last piece is done frying, in the same pan, no need to clean it, pour in the curry base, stir it well, really well, because clump in curry are like surprise whole garam masala in pulao, rude and unnecessary. Let it come to a gentle boil. Now gently lay the fried fish back into the curry like placing a baby in bed, one at a time. No splashes, no chaos. Cover it and let it simmer on medium heat for 5 minutes. This is when the flavors become friends. After simmering for 5 minutes, uncover and check if it's done. You will know it's ready when the oil starts floating on top like a proud garnish. That golden layer, it's not just oil, it's Hilsa's natural richness packed with omega-3s and a Bengali grandma's approval. Turn off the heat and let it rest. Serve hot with plain white rice. That's it. Minimal ingredients, maximum drama in a good way. This, my friend, is how Bengal eats royalty for lunch. If you like this recipe, hit that like button, share it with your fish-loving friends, and subscribe for no more nonsense, full flavor cooking. Until next time, stir with soul.